gathering of butterflies in the world. They're getting ready for a long and arduous journey. They stream from the colony and make their way to water to drink. Then they bask in the spring sun to get their muscles warmed up for flight. Soon, they'll be off. They're all going in search of one very special plant. And it only flowers in spring. Milkweed. The butterflies won't lay their eggs on any other plant, so they must time their wake-up perfectly for when the milkweed blooms. Generations of butterflies